Hey guys, this is Michelle Galli coming to you from Grateful Creations. Well, this poor painting has had quite a life. The pearls didn't come out well at first, so I zhuzhed it up and I had it sold, and apparently when I went to close my varnish tin, the varnish for my fence, by the way, I pounded on the top and it splattered right into it, and I didn't notice it for days. So I took some turpentine and got the marks off, as far as like there's no dents in it or anything. So now I just have to zhuzh it up once more and see if it works. So I am going to do a little, oh, that's not good. I'm going to fix it up, see if I can fix it up. I'm going to attempt to fix it up. It's not necessarily going to be fixed up, but I'm going to attempt. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and we'll see you in a few. Hey guys, well, this is certainly an improvement from where it was at, and I might do a few more just little touch-ups here and there, but yeah, I'm painting during the day. Oh my gosh, I am almost not seeing where the drips were. Or can you? That's a question mark. So, yeah, I'm going to be teaching this technique at the Fluidartboutique. It's just maybe not so long. This was a fix. I definitely tried to fix it. But there are ways that you can enhance your pores and just bring them back to life. It's fun. I get lost in it when I start doing these. So, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in Delray Beach. Ciao for now.